Are you worried that your credit score may be too low or you do not have the 20% to put down on a home? Well, then the FHA loan may be just the loan for you so you can get into a house in 2022. My name's Kathleen Cornish, realtor owner with Heron Real Estate, and today I want to touch briefly on the FHA loan. FHA stands for Federal Housing Administration. This loan was designed by the government to help more people become home buyers. The loan is federally backed, which basically means that if you default on your mortgage and you can no longer make payments, then the government will give the bank funds through a special insurance program. The loan is specifically for low to moderate income home buyers, so we will see a lot of first-time home buyers take advantage of this option because it requires a lower down payment and a lower credit score. Now, if you're not a first-time home buyer, you can still use this option. So instead of the traditional mortgage, which requires you 10 to 20% down, FHA requires just 3.5% down, which means that you can get into a home much faster because you are not saving the typical 20% down payment. Now, let me say, yes, you can put as low as 3% down with conventional these days. However, typically, if you are putting the minimum requirement of 3% down with conventional versus 3.5% with FHA, the FHA becomes better with more favorable terms because it caters to the lower income borrowers as well as the lower credit borrowers in the case of their guidelines. Another huge draw to the FHA loan is that it requires a credit score of just 580, but you will find that most lenders typically prefer you at 620. Now there is a catch. You will have to pay an annual mortgage insurance premium to the FHA for 11 years or up to the life of your loan. Now that term depends on different facets of your loan. And if you are taking advantage of the lower down payment, you will pay more interest because your principal loan amount will be much larger. Will it be more expensive over time than your traditional mortgage? Probably. But if you consider the savings of owning a home rather than renting for another 5 years, the equity alone makes it worth it. So I highly suggest you working closely with your lender to parse out the numbers here. Now, let's get into the requirements of an FHA loan. So first, the home you want to buy must be your primary residence. That means no investment properties or vacation houses can be purchased with this option. And since you will have to stay within certain price parameters, mansions are out as well. All right, and once you find a home that you want to buy, it will have to go through an FHA approved lender, and then the home must be appraised by an FHA approved appraiser. And just like any mortgage, 2 years must have passed since you last declared bankruptcy. So the FHA loan, it's not for everyone, but it is a life changer for those who can use it. If you're thinking about getting an FHA loan, talk with your lender and your agent about your options. They can help you determine if it is the best fit for you. And as always, if you have any questions about getting into a home and mortgages that can help you get there, just send me a DM. My name is Kathleen Cornish, realtor owner with Heron Real Estate.